morning and thank you for joining us. Our morning outlook will focus on the dollar-yen, recent developments, and the potential impact on the markets. Let's hear from Greg in our trading room.
The dollar-yen pair has added 0.2% in the last session. The RSI shifted into the positive zone. Bitcoin has gained 4.1% in the last two sessions. The ADX has sunk into the negative zone. The price of gold has lost 0.4% in the last session. The stochastic RSI has transitioned sharply into the negative zone. The price of crude oil has lost 0.3% in the last session. The CCI has cooled down and is now giving a neutral signal.
Thank you for sharing with us. Now let's hear from our news department.
Oil edged lower, falling more than 2% on the week as COVID-19 cases surged globally and oil supply is set to rise in coming weeks. GBP turbulence persists as investors eye the next round of EU-UK Brexit negotiations. Cautious optimism signals a deal is near. The U.S. dollar will be bracing for a cascade of political risks, including the first presidential debate and ongoing stimulus talks.
Thank you, and now let's go through today's major economic events.
The South African PPI will be released at 9:30 GMT. The U.S. Dallas Fed Manufacturing Business Index at 14:30 GMT. The U.S. 3-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT. The U.S. 6-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT. The South Korean industrial production at 2300 GMT. And the Japanese CPI at 23:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.